So I'm going to show you how to revamp your jollof, your old jollof. With jollof, maybe I can actually fridge or they actually freeze. I won't don't pour it away. I'm going to teach you one thing to do. So I have jollof which was in the freezer, which has thawed. Then I have my seafood to just revamp it. So I have shrimp and then octopus. Octopus, no, it's already fried. Yes, the cuttlefish is already fried. So what I begin by doing is to smear in some oil. Then I added in the seafood. For the octopus, I would always advise you to either pre-season before or you pre-fry before, because this is shallow frying. Else, if you don't take care, you have runs to afterwards. When it comes to seafood, the way you handle it matters a lot. Else, you have issues in there. So you just have to just gently fry this over low heat. If you want to learn to how to dress shrimps, I can check my shrimp video on the channel. I've taught that. If you want to handle octopus or cuttlefish or squid, it's also on my channel. You can check it up. So I added in some spice and some salt in first, and I kept tossing. Then once it was almost cooked, I realized the color of the shrimp had changed to orange. It had coiled. Once it coils, that means you are good to go. Then I added in the onions just to help with the aromatics. Else, the place may be smelling a bit interesting. I know everybody likes the seafood smell. Then I added in my jollof to it. You can see the cancer and all those ones. Yeah, so don't throw them away. They are very good. Then I added in a bit of gravy or tomato sauce. That's just to reiterate the trait or reiterate the taste, make the taste come out better. So once you're done, you just sprinkle in a little bit of water. Once food goes into the freezer, sometimes it comes a little bit more dried, especially when it comes to rice. So I just sprinkled just a little bit of water, mixed it together, and I covered it up with the cloth to maintain the heat in there, because a lot of it is not about fire, it's about heat. So you just cover it for like 2-3 minutes, then you just mix it up again, cover it again, 2-3 minutes, and voila, you are virtually done. So this is one way to revamp your jollof. And you can equally do this for your fresh jollof. When you cook your fresh jollof, you can do your jollof stir fry or your jollof shrimp jollof or your squid shrimp jollof like this as well when you make your jollof. So this one is only for revamping your jollof, but then you can also use it when you make fresh jollof as well. So I hope you do give this a try. And yes, this was actually inspired by my little nephew, IJ. So shout outs to IJ. Yes, this is one of his favorite. He's always like, let's do shrimp jollof, let's do octopus jollof. Yes. So till I see the next food video, do live life to the fullest, be joyous, be merry. Lots of laugh from my team and I. Mwah.